Below is the amount of investment and beta of three securities that form part of a portfolio. Okay. Xi Jinping. I believe after COVID this name has become quite popular. So I don't think this needs any further introduction. Okay. In amount invested, $1 million, 25, 55, 40. Beta is respectively given for all the three stocks. So Xi is a different, Jin is a, and Ping is a different stock. Given expected market return is 10.5% and risk-free rate is 4.4%, calculate expected return of portfolio. So we have to calculate the ERP basically. Okay. RF is given, expected return on portfolio. Now, first we need to calculate portfolio beta. To put it as RF is equals to RM minus RF into beta, we need to first put in the beta. And portfolio beta P is equal to weight square variance, 2 weight. No, it is weighted average. So WA beta A plus WB beta B plus WC beta C. So that means first we have to determine the weight, right? So 25 plus 55 plus 40, which is equal to 55, 60, 80, 120. 120 is the 120. So 25 by 120. Let me put it this way. 25 by 120 into 1.4 plus 55 by 120 into 2.2 plus 40 by 120 into 0.9. Now 25 by 120, 1.4 plus 55 by 120, 2.2. It's not 22, it's 2.2. 0.33 because 1/3 into 0.9. 1.597 or 1.6, roughly 1.6 is the beta. 60. So now you have the beta, you can calculate ERP is equal to 4.4 plus 1.6 into 10.5 minus 4.4 expected market return. Yes, 10.5 minus 4.4 is equal to 10.5 minus 4.4 into 1.6 plus 4.4. 14.16. So roughly C is the correct answer. 14.16%. Great. Okay.